So today I will be showing you how to make a Minecraft Flappy Bird. Hello, my name is Ananya. I am in 4th grade and I live in Texas. So I will be showing you Minecraft Flappy Bird. So you see it's a nice little picture, but if you press on this, it will start. I will be showing you that later. But right now I'm going to show you how I got the sprites and the backdrop. So I got the backdrop I got here, I pressed on choose a backdrop, and you see blue sky right here. And that is what I picked because it really fits with the Minecraft theme. It has dirt, it has grass, and the blue sky. So you see, you know how Flappy Bird has a little animal that has to get through some towers and pillars. So I chose a cat because my favorite animal is a cat, and I put wings so it could fly. So I made the wings by doing this drawing tool. I drew the wings on. I drew the inside, and I filled the inside with the bucket right here. So you see, here's an example. Let's say I want to fill this triangle purple. Click, it's filled. So that's how I made the ears. I got triangles. I put them and I put them like this. So I put it like in a triangle shape. So then I pressed on this coloring box with this symbol. And then I picked a color. If you want a color that you already have, then you can press on this thing. Then it will show this. Then you can select that color by putting it on the color you want. And so that's how I made the ear. So I made the eye by overlapping. I made it by overlapping 2 rectangles, one square. So first, I pressed on this, changed the color to black, but I also got rid of the outline, and that's the outside of the eye. After that, you can press on this, put it to brightness 100, then saturation to 0. Then that will make it white. Then I put it in the side of the eye, and so that's how I made a little cartoonish looking forward eye. So I made the head by then again pressing on this. Just made a big square, and I made a little attachment so I can add where the mouth is. And so I made the mouth by putting a little thing here. So I put 2 lines, one that goes up like this, and one that goes straight. If you know what angles are, this is an opposite angle, as you know. And so that's how I made the mouth. And I made the wings in front of the body, so it shows the wings are actually on the body. So you see, the body was also made just like that. It's just a big rectangle. That's how I made the body. I put tiny rectangles for the feet, and the back paws are a little darkened because it's the back, and so it needs to be a little bit darker because it's not as bright, because it's not in the front where the brightness is. And I did the same to the ear, the back ear. So that's how I made the cat. And so I made the tower by putting one rectangle on the top and another rectangle on the bottom, like right here. Same for the other one. And I put the top one up here, brown, to show dirt. And I put green over here to show grass. And I put green over here to show grass, and dirt over here, the brown dirt over here to show dirt. So that's how I made the towers. So this is game over. So like when the cat touches the tower, it will show this game over. See how I got it? I didn't make it myself. I got it from this thing called Text Studios. I went there, typed game over, and selected this Minecraft themed text. So I uploaded it to the game. I didn't make it myself. So that's how I got game over, and I picked Minecraft because it will fit with the Minecraft theme. You can even see a little creeper face on the A. So you see a line. There's no decorative things or anything, it's just a big red line. So now I will move on to show you how the game works. So you see, when you click the flag, it starts. So, say if the cat goes through and the pillar touches the red line, then you get yourself 1 point. And when I showed you the game over, you see there is no you win. So this game goes on forever and ever, and there's no limit to what your score can be. It might be 100, it might be 1,000, there's no limit. So like you see, the cat touched the pillar, and now it says game over with a score of 15. I know you can all do better than that. I'm just showing you an example. So variable here, if you press make a variable, you can do whatever you want. Like if I want my name, I can make that variable right here, and I can put it where circular things are. So I made score as well to show the score, and I made gravity. So the gravity is set to 3, and so 3. So 3. It's 3. So like that means it goes up. Like every time he up arrow, down arrow, space, left arrow, like any, you can do any one. You can even do like any here. So like if that's pressed, the cat will go up and bounce. It'll bounce up, then it'll go down. Remember, what goes up should always come down. Except age. That's a true fact. And so it's also the same for this game. The cat bounces up, but it also comes down. So you have to make it through the pillars or towers or whatever you call them. You have to make the cat go through so you can get a high score. The towers is kind of the towers code is kind of complicated. So you have to make clones of it. So there's multiple towers. And when the game is over, the tower / pillar or whatever will stop what it's doing, stop making clones, stop touching a line, stop showing, and so the whole game stops. So as you see here, the tower, the repeat until touching line. That means it's changing x by -5. That means it's moving left. It's moving left to the other side so you can touch the line and get a point. But then that clone will instantly delete and add on to your score. And so you see the game over thing, the game over spray doesn't have that complicated of code. all you need to do is press when flag clicked. That means when you start the game, it has to hide. So the cat can actually start moving. So the cat can actually do it so the cat can actually get through the towers, and when it touches, it'll show. See, when I receive game over, it will show. It'll say broadcast, if it's touching tower, broadcast game over. When I receive game over, stop and hide. And when I receive game over, it will show and stop the game. The line has the same exact code, except it's like kind of the opposite. When the flag clicked means start the game, it will show. And when the game over shows up, it will hide. So the only thing that shows on the screen is score and game over. So that's my game, Minecraft Flappy Bird. Minecraft Flappy Alley. So I explained the game to you, and now I will show you it in action. See, when I press space, it goes up, and when the cat touches the pillar, it shows game over. And I only got score 1. That's okay. We can all do better. Thank you for listening and watching my video of how I made the Minecraft Flappy Alley.